If you've encountered the frustrating "you can't use this feature right now" error on Facebook, don't worry, I'm here to help you fix it. Today, I'll guide you through some easy steps to resolve this issue, so let's get started. First, let's check if there are any restrictions on your account. Sometimes Facebook temporarily limits features due to unusual activity. Go to your profile settings and look for any notifications regarding restriction. If you see anything, follow the instructions provided. Next, try logging out of your Facebook account and then logging back in. This can help refresh your session and may resolve the error. Just click on Menu, scroll down, and click on Logout. Simply log out of your account and log back in. A poor internet connection can cause issues with using features on Facebook. Make sure you have a stable connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps improve the situation. Make sure your Facebook app is up to date. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Tap on your profile and scroll down until you find Facebook. If there's an update available, install it to ensure you have the latest bugs, fixes, and features. If none of these solutions work, visit the Facebook Help Center. Search for your specific issue and you may find more tailored solutions or options to report the problem directly to Facebook. And that's it. I hope one of the solutions that I gave you helped you resolve the "you can't use this feature right now" error on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.